we'll guide you through how to create a Dropbox link. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the Dropbox website. Sign in with your account details if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, navigate to the file or folder you want to share. Hover your mouse over the desired file or folder, and you'll see a Share button appear to the right. Click on that. A pop-up window will appear with several options for sharing. You want to focus on the option that says Create Link. Click on it. Dropbox will generate a link for you, and you'll see a confirmation message that the link is ready. You can click Copy Link to copy it to your clipboard. This link can now be pasted into an email, a message, or wherever you need to share it. If you need to adjust the link's settings, like setting an expiration date or password, you can do that by clicking the gear icon right next to the link. Keep in mind that adjusting these settings may require a paid Dropbox plan. Once you're satisfied with the settings, you're all set. The person you share the link with will have access to the file or folder, depending on the permissions you set. This is a great way to share large files without having to send them directly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.